Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best underwater drones in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Chasing Gladius Mini Underwater Drone, 4K UHD Underwater Camera for Real-Time Viewing. Remote controller and AP remote control, dive to 330 feet, live stream, adjustable tilt lock, fish finder, ROV. Game control maneuverability. Many underwater drone comes with a remote controller, which can precisely control the underwater drone to move, tilt up down, lock the depth, speed up and adjust LED brightness. With the Chasing app, your phone can also remotely control like a gamepad. Exploring the ocean floor is as easy and fun as a game. Adjustable tilt lock and depth lock. With game control maneuverability and plus or minus 45 degrees adjustable tilt lock mode, gladius Mini moves fluidly in all directions for epic access to underwater scenes at speeds up to 4 knots. Intelligent control algorithms and one-touch depth lock mode help you navigate freely and hover at depth to find and capture exactly what you want. Number 4. Chasing Dory Underwater Drone. Palm-sized 1080p Full HD underwater drone with camera for real-time viewing, app remote control and portable with carrying case, Wi-Fi buoy and 49 feet tether, ROV. Excellent underwater photography. Dory can dive up to 49 feet and has an HD camera for real-time observation and shooting photos and videos. Dory's 1080p f/on6 camera, combined with two 250 lumen headlights, opens up a whole new world of exploration. With Dory's built-in true color restoration algorithm, photos and videos show true dynamic color in all conditions. Portable for travel. As the world's smallest, smartest, and most affordable underwater drone, palm-sized Dory is just 9774x36, weighs less than 25 pounds. It has a 4800 mAh battery life of approximately 1 hour. Travelers can take it into a backpack and easily transport it wherever they want to use it. Number 3. Yukon Robot Beagle Space Pro Underwater Drone with 4K UHD Camera AP Remote Control for Real-Time Viewing Image Stabilization 1080p, Tether of 50 meters set. Support manual type PLEFLXI bulb POSTURE through the motion algorithm. The machine can achieve plus or minus 45 deg tilt shooting and 360 deg free rotation. Automatically determine the depth at any depth in the water, hover precisely, and have greater flexibility to capture underwater wonders for you. 9000 mAh large capacity lithium battery, full electric drive, long battery life, can support 5 hours underwater work continuously, providing guarantee for long-term underwater exploration. Excellent MAGQUALITY intelligent image anti-shake technology to eliminate shaking when shooting underwater. Digital defonding technology to make the picture clear. Number 2. Geneinno Underwater Scooter Dual Propellers with 2-speed compatible with GoPro. Max speed of 2.7 miles per hour, 4.3 km/a, with a total work time of 45 minutes, with an easy-to-read LED battery indicator on the top of the unit. Positive buoyancy material selection for keeping it floated in the water all the time while you need to pause it or change the battery. Using the 2-speed interchangeable gear, high/low variability, and is worked by its powerful dual thruster motor, left and right propeller balance design, smooth and easy to handle, the position of the finger gripping posture keys match, ready to use. Ideal for water pool, water parks, shallow dives, scuba diving, snorkeling, ocean diving, aquariums. Number 1. Powerray Wizard Underwater Drone for Exploration, Diving and Boating. High-definition camera. Equipped with 4K Ultra HD video camera, remote control, and live stream capability. Immersive underwater exploration. Equipped with a 4K high-definition camera and LED lights. Comes equipped with a 64GB SD card. You can capture stunning photos and videos of marine life and underwater landscapes. Easy and intuitive controls. The remote control makes it easy to pilot the Powerray drone, even for beginners. The Powerray can dive as deep as 98 feet below the surface of the water. You can explore deep waters with ease. Live stream capability. Share your underwater adventures with the world in real time. The Powerray's live stream capability allows you to broadcast your footage to your mobile device or social media.